Now I'll show you how to edit switch names. So every switch is easy to understand. Default names like switch 1 don't help anyone. Rename your switches to match real appliances like fan, bed light, or mirror light. Now anyone in the house can use the app without confusion or guesswork. Simple names make your smart home easy for everyone. Now, I'll show you how to edit a switch name. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Devices in the bottom tab bar. Select the room where your switch is located. Tap on the switch settings you want to rename. Tap on Appliance Name. Clear the existing name and enter a simple name like fan, bed light, or mirror light. Tap on Update Switch. That's it. Your switch is now easy to identify and control. Clear names, effortless control for everyone at home. Thank you.